Is this the best way to show clothes? Probably not. Anyways, moving on. Hi. Okay, so I'm still in quarantine, the mandatory 3-day hotel quarantine since I got back to Canada. And my parents were so kind and dropped me off some things that I kind of wanted from home. One of those things was a Lululemon order that I placed last month. I am super excited to unbox it. So I thought I would just film my first impressions. And that's pretty much it. I don't really have anything else to say except for that I'm really excited. I'm excited for a lot of these pieces. So anyways, let's just get started. Okay, I'm wearing the first one. I don't know if you can tell, but it's this beautiful sports bra, the long line high neck energy bra. So it's this back that I'm sure you're familiar with. It's a staple. The energy bra is a classic core item at Lululemon, but they've modified it a little bit with this one, and their long line means that it's a little bit longer rather than a sports bra. It's kind of like a crop, and it's high neck, and I love the high neck, but it's the coloring that I love too. I don't know if you can tell the beautiful different multicolored rainbow, the design, it's just stunning. And I don't really have pieces like this from Lululemon, and so I saw this on the website, snagged it. It might still be there, and I'm sorry if they're not. This was recent enough that they might still be there, but I'll link everything down below. And then the second piece that I'm very excited about are these shorts. Mellow In high-rise short. They're the 5-inch, and they're in a waffle material. They came in 2 colors, black and a mustard yellow, and I really wanted the mustard yellow, but I just didn't know if it was gonna look good on my skin tone. I've wanted yellow to look good on me for a long time, and it just doesn't. So I thought I wasn't gonna force it, and just, you know, for a lounging set, it is a set, and I'll show you the top piece in a little bit. For a lounging set, I feel like you can't go wrong with black. And so I just went with black. You can't really tell I don't know, let's zoom in here. Pockets, they're kind of like flowy. And normally I'm a 6 in basically everything. I have a 6, I'll actually show you, but these are the 4, and I think I'm gonna keep the 4, just because it is a looser fit, but love them. They're super comfortable. So far, 2 for 2. Okay, so these are the 6s, and I don't know if you can tell, they're just a bit bigger, right? They're just a bit looser here on the sides. Which is fine if you want a bigger fit. I just thought the 4s looked a little bit more put together. Remember how I said that it was a set? This is the top piece. It is the Mellow In hoodie. Maybe you can see the waffle. There you go. You can see it a little bit better. It's got kind of like the vintage look with the hoodie and this detail here. I don't know why I always think of like high school. But this is what it looks like. I don't know how to show you properly, but it's got the little kangaroo pouch pocket at the front here. The combination together, I think, maybe I have to move you back. Okay, this is the fit, this is the look. It's very, again, like loose and loungy, but it's so soft, and I just love the waffle. I've been wanting a waffle knit for a long time, and now I've got a matching waffle set. If the pandemic has taught me one thing, it's the importance of a good set, and now all I have are matching sets. It's kind of an obsession. Okay, the next item is not something that I normally go for, but I just had to. I'm just in that mood, and summer's coming up, so here you go. Ready? Bam! Whoa! They are so much brighter on camera. They're like highlighter pink on camera. Wow. Anyways, okay, so these are the adapted state joggers. And they are very, very, oh my God. They are a fantastic material. They're like very stretchy, super stretchy. and very soft and sleek. Like you could definitely go for a run in these. You could just put them on, go for brunch. I don't know what I would wear this to with this color. Ooh, for a hike so you won't lose me. I kind of dig them. I honestly don't know if I'll reach for them much in my closet, but I love it. Even with the sports bra, like, I think I might keep them, but I don't know. So let me know, I need your help. Tell me if I should keep them. I don't really know. But they're so comfortable. Okay, I'm actually so excited about this one that I'm just gonna I don't wanna give you any clues before, but I love it. Another matching set coming at you. Like, what? What? Is this for real? This is the cutest little matching set. Are you kidding me? Okay, it's the LA tapered leg jogger, and I'm assuming this is the LA All Yours bubble hem hoodie. Okay, let's talk about this bubble hem for a hot minute. Look how cute this is. So the hem is, it's just it's so unique. First of all, it's the colors that got me. I love this kind of tie-dye, neutral, beigey. It kind of looks like ice cream. To me, it looks like a little swirl, like an ice cream swirl, caramel vanilla. I love it. So it's another hoodie, but this bubble hem is so unique. Leave it up to LULULEMON to just come up with the coolest little pieces. And then this matching jogger, which I don't even know what the material is. Hold on. Oh, it's a stretch French terry. Oh my God. It's so soft, but it's not you could wear it in fall, you could wear it in spring and summer because it's not like super hot. I don't even know how to describe it. It's like butter. That's how to describe it. It's like butter. I love this. It is totally one of a kind. This is, if you can get this, get it. I'm true to size. I'm a 6 across the board. I'm a 6 here. But these joggers also kind of has a little bit of the bubble hem around the ankles, which I think is super cool. But they're just the coolest. This is just the coolest thing. Tell me this isn't cool. It's so cool. I'm gonna live in this. I'm gonna bring this to Tokyo, wear this in the village. I don't think I'm allowed to do that, but I'm gonna live in this. I just feel super cool. I feel really cool right now. I want to love this so much, and I do love this so much, but I think it's the wrong size and they're sold out of the size that I think I would need. But this is the scuba pullover cropped hoodie. And I just love this green color. I think it's the gray sage. I just think it's a great little neutral. I'm really into greens right now. It's such a staple. I think it's just really easy to travel with, just throw on for workout. This outfit is ridiculous. I understand that. I'm a little distracted too. If you could just focus on the sweater, it's a medium large, and I think I should have got the extra small, but they didn't have it. I think it's just a bit too big for me. I'm fine with oversized, but I think it's just too boxy for me, but it's so soft. The inside is that fleece, you can see, right? Yeah, it's that fleece material. Oh, you can also see my massive pimple. Cool. And it's so soft, and I think I might just keep it because it's so soft. Oh, I don't know. It's so nice. It's really cozy. So if you could just let me know in the comments if you think this is too big. Is it too big? This is so awkward. Let's just do a sumo squat. I don't know, what do you think? Oh, my leg's hurting. I love this. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna have to think on this one, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna keep everything. The only things I'm debating about are the sizing of this sweater and just the practicality of the pink pants. Although I feel really funky and I think I'm branching out. My boyfriend would be super embarrassed to be seen with me in those pants, and that's kind of why I want to keep them. I think he would think they're outrageous, and they are, and I love it. So you know what, maybe for that hike so I don't get lost, they would be really useful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, I think it's a 7 for 7. If anything, a 6 for 7. Oh my God, I never get this excited about anything except for Lululemon orders. And I just love them. Holy. I'll link everything below if you're interested. This is kind of like a really spontaneous, last minute, pretty crazy, not planned, clearly, video, but give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe. I have another Lululemon YouTube video on my channel, an unboxing video. Please go check it out if you like it. I'm also very excited in that one too, because how could you not get excited about Lululemon unboxings? Anyways, this was like better than I expected. What was your favorite piece? I think my favorite piece was the bubble hem crop, like marble ice cream sweater, but also this sports bra. But also the waffle, I can't pick. Bye.